Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Etoro for day trading. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to trade a variety of financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, and currencies. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Etoro website and deposit funds into your account. First, you will need to understand the basics of day trading, which involves buying and selling financial instruments within a single trading day. Day traders aim to profit from the fluctuations in the market prices of these instruments. On Etoro, you can trade a range of assets, including stocks, indices, commodities, and currencies. To begin trading on Etoro, navigate to the platform's dashboard and select the asset you want to trade. You can browse through the various categories or use the search function to find a specific asset. Once you have selected an asset, click on the Trade button to open a trading window. In the trading window, you will see the current price of the asset, as well as several other key pieces of information, including the bid and ask prices, and the spread. The bid price is the price at which you can sell the asset, while the ask price is the price at which you can buy it. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask prices, and it is essentially the fee that Etoro charges for each trade. To place a trade, simply enter the amount you want to invest and click on the buy or sell button. You can also set a stop loss, which is an order to automatically close a trade when it reaches a certain price, and a take profit, which is an order to automatically close a trade when it reaches a certain profit level. One of the key features of Etoro is its social trading platform, which allows you to follow and copy the trades of other users. This can be a useful tool for beginner traders, as it allows you to learn from more experienced traders and potentially profit from their knowledge. To get the most out of Etoro, it is essential to develop a solid trading strategy and to stay up to date with market news and trends. This includes setting clear goals and risk management parameters, as well as continuously monitoring and adjusting your trades as needed. Best practices for day trading on Etoro include starting with small investments and gradually increasing your position size as you gain experience and confidence. It is also crucial to diversify your portfolio and to avoid overtrading, as this can lead to significant losses. In conclusion, Etoro is a powerful platform for day trading, offering a range of assets and features that can help you to potentially profit from the financial markets. By following the steps outlined in this guide and developing a solid trading strategy, you can get the most out of Etoro and achieve your trading goals.